guys, Aurora here. I will be doing a DIY on our ceiling water damage. I'm gonna be using a DAP dry decks joint compound. I already removed some of the bubbled old paint. I'm going to remove the rest of them with this straw. If you want to see how I do it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let's get this video going. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut that and then remove it. Okay, here we go. Now ready to apply the joint compound, and this joint compound is pink when you apply, but when it's dry it will turn white. So go ahead and apply the joint compound. This is what it looks like, pink. Let it dry. Okay, now that the joint compound has dried, we are ready to sand them. For a prime, I'm gonna go ahead and prime that with a bullseye Zinsser primer 123. Okay guys, we are ready to prime. I have already sanded the area. We're gonna let it dry. And tonight when I get back from work, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the rest, finish the job, and I can't wait for it. All right. We have covered all the stains, all of the joint compound. The color is gone. I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and so we're gonna finish it later tonight. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so today is the final day. Finally going to paint the ceiling. Before we get into it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit that bell button in your upper right corner or the bottom corner of this video. Anyways, before we get started, I will show you why I have this broom. So I purchased this from Home Depot, and the problem with this one is it's very short. So I come up with an idea to make it a little bit longer. So I am using my broom. So all I have to do is just unscrew the broom and then put this in, screw it in. See how smart that is? And then let's go ahead and put this roller pin, squish the thing and then push it in. There we go. We are ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir the paint. Alright, I'm gonna dip this roller. Just squeeze the extra so it does not spill over. I'm ready to apply this to the ceiling. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it up there. Now we are going to finish the corner with using this brush, bristle brush, and just brush the corner. So good already. I think we are done. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can get an up-to-date of my video uploads. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.